Alright, I'm giving everybody a demo. I want your guys' unbiased opinion on the FU audios, how you think they sound.
Absolutely.
Oh, bro. Sunshine be cool. That's half a nigga shit. Half a nigga shit. One thing about it, a little more.
Alright, hold on a second, I'll put the port in and do it again. Alright, I'm back, I got the port plug in and try it again. I learned how to use my CD player. That's not the best song. I wanted to start out fucking.
With 2 amps, those fuckers would beat. I can see that. 'Cause they're not moving anywhere near their max.
No.
You can tell that.
Katy Perry, check this shit out. DJ Salon Throw. Try one last one.
I haven't heard any Ford setup. I only heard one with 312 and a Ford Focus. That was a plywood box. So.
Right. Alright, what do you guys think of them?
For 750 RMS, that's good, dude.
Alright.
I could agree.